Welcome to our brief tutorial on Zoho Notebook. As a reminder, you're going to need to first go to notebook.zoho.com, sign up for a free account, and I ask that you create a username that is recognizable and preferably your first name dot last name if it's available. I create a tab for each of you with first name dot last name, but I need you, once you've created an account, to email me your username, not your password, just your username, so I can invite you to our Zoho Notebook for the class. So for me, I already have a username. It's Pexter, and I'll put in my password. I'm going to sign in. When you sign in, you'll see that I have invited you to our Zoho Notebook page, and over here on the right is a page for every single person in the class. It looks like a tab. Right now we're on mine, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to come all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to click on a test page that I set up so I can show you a demo of how to do this. Right now it's blank. Let's say that we want to start by adding a text box. I'll click here and I'll say this is my page. Perhaps what I want to do is I want to make the font bigger. Perhaps I want to bold it. Perhaps I want to indent it a couple of times. And once I have it how I want it, I can click off, and there it is. I also can move it around. I might say, I want to look centered. Well, there we go. Maybe I want to add an image. I'll click Add Image, and it'll ask me from where. I might need to upload it from my collection. Let's say from my computer, and let's say I browse, and I'll go into the My Pictures folder on my computer. I'll say, okay, let's do, let's do the pup. When we first found out that we were getting the dog. And we'll say, great, here it is. So we'll move her down there. I can always make it bigger or smaller if I want, but for now I'll put it there and I'll click off of it. That will leave it on my page. How about adding a video? If I click Add Video, what it will do is allow me to embed a video I've already created or just record one. When I hit record, what it's going to do is going to turn on my webcam. And here I am making the demo. Hi everybody, making the demo. And so for now, what I'm going to do is just hit OK. And here I am. I hit record. It's recording. You see how it's counting down backwards from 5 minutes because that's the longest you can make it. And I'm going to say, okay, that's it for now. I just wanted to do a quick video. And I'm going to press stop. And I can hit done. I can replay. I can record again. I'm just going to hit done. Saving it. And there it is. I can make it bigger or smaller, put it anywhere on my page. And I've got a video. How about if I've got a website that I really enjoy? I'll add a URL, and let's say that I really like, how about HTTP, and we'll do www.cnn.com if I'm a news buff. Hit insert, and what it does is it opens up a live widget of the website, and I can move it down here. I can make it bigger, and as you can see, the website itself is live, and I can click off of it. Now if I click this box as X, it will delete it, but if I just wanted it here, bink, there it is. I can always click back on it and move it around. It's as simple as that. I'm going to hit save. When I've got my page the way I want it, it'll say book saved. Now let's say that I want to review somebody else's, because that's part of the assignment, is not just to create a page, but to introduce, look at everyone else's introduction. So I know that I've got a page. I'm going to go up to Paul Dexter, click, and there it is, my page that I made earlier this summer. So that's a quick intro to Zoho Notebook. You have lots of different things that you can do with it. You can spend as much time as you want on it, but just make sure that you're doing enough of an introduction so people get a sense of who you are, maybe some of your interests, why you're taking this class. You also need to look at everybody else's so that you get a sense of who's in the class with you. That's it for now, and I look forward to looking at your introductory pages as we start off our class.